Hi, I'm Siti and I'm the Operations Manager at Liting Private Limited. We provide transportation of concrete for the local construction industry and also carry out various construction activities. We are continuously expanding our fleet of trucks and heavy-duty machineries equipment to serve our growing customers. At present, we have 75 trucks consisting of Mitsubishi Fuso and Isuzu. We also have 10 Caterpillar wheel loaders. 2 years ago, we were using another lubricant brand but decided to give Valvoline a try as we were looking for ways to extend the oil change interval and reduce maintenance costs for our fleets. As recommended by Philtech Private Limited, we've been using the Valvoline All-Fleet Plus E900 15W40C K4 and other Valvoline products in all our units. We are very satisfied with all the Valvoline products. Last year, we did a field trial and series of all tests with the intention to extend our oil change intervals from 20,000 kilometers to 30,000 kilometers for the trucks and 500 to 750 running hours for the wheel loaders. The test results concluded that Valvoline products were able to demonstrate supreme performance and clearly shows its ability to extend oil change intervals of all our fleets. The test diagnosis was very positive as there was no signs of any abnormal wear and it even suggested that the oil could still be used further. With such excellent results, it is a great achievement for us because Valvoline has helped us save on operational costs such as lessening the downtime for maintenance and drastically reduce costly engine breakdown repairs. It also proves that Valvoline lubricant is able to clean the engine well as we find that the vehicles are running much more smoothly than before. We are absolutely convinced that the specs of Valvoline products are able to provide such premium superior performance. Now, we only trust Valvoline and will not hesitate to strongly recommend Valvoline to other fleet companies.